Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the imperative, in other words, how to give commands in German. Let's get started. As mentioned, we use the imperative to give people commands. So, dear parents and girlfriends, this video is for you. As always, let me give you some examples. Schau mich an. Schaut mich an and schauen Sie mich an. All these sentences mean look at me. How can that be? Well, in German it matters whether we give a command to one person or to more people. And we can also give commands formally and politely. If I'm just talking to one person, informally, like right now, I assume, we'd form the imperative by clipping away the en ending of the verb. Schau mich an. Look at me. Mach deine Hausaufgaben. Do your homework. Or lern die Vokabeln. Learn the vocabulary. We have done the same thing here every time. We have clipped away the en ending of schauen, machen, and lernen. And au revoir, we have told somebody what to do. Another important aspect about using the imperative is that the verb is in first place, always. But what if there's more than one person? What if you're a mother or father of two? What if you have two boyfriends? Or what if you're a teacher of several students who are not listening to you? Well, then the imperative is formed a little differently. Let me show you. Schaut mich an. Look at me. Macht eure Hausaufgaben. Do your homework. Or lernt die Vokabeln. Learn the vocabulary. Here we have added a T to give commands to more than one person. There could be just two kids, but also a crowd of adults. That doesn't really matter. What though, if you're talking to someone you should address politely, like a neighbor you don't really know well, the nice old lady from around the block, your parents-in-law you are meeting for the first time? Well, let's see how we tell them what to do politely, of course. Here are some examples. Schauen Sie mich an. Look at me. Machen Sie Ihre Hausaufgaben. Do your homework. Lernen Sie Ihre Vokabeln. Learn your vocabulary. So, in order to tell people formally, politely what to do, we don't have to do anything with the verb. But we need to add Sie, our polite you, which you should remember from chapter 5. This Sie is not optional, we need to add it right after the verb. But the good thing is that we can use this polite form for not only one person, but for more people as well. So here's what we learned today in a nutshell. Whenever we address one person informally and we want to tell that person to do something, like when we say schau mich an, look at me, then we simply clip away the en ending of the verb. Whenever we want to tell more than one person to do something informally, we add another T, schaut mich an. If you're talking to one or more people that you would like to address politely, but you still have to tell them to do something, then we simply use the basic verb form, but we also need to add Sie after the verb. Well, now you know how to tell people what to do, but remember, with great power comes great responsibility. If you want to study how to use the imperative, just click on the link below for a free exercise. As always, no sign-up necessary. For even more explanations, exercises and fun learning games, also for this topic, visit our website at www.wasdas.com. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun German lessons. See you next time. Bye bye.